Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging session history to Google Sheets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect EV charging session history to Google Sheets, start by gathering your charging session data. Ensure your charging station provides a way to export session data, typically in CSV or Excel format. Log into your charging provider's website or app to access your charging history. Locate the export function, which may be found in the settings or reports section. Select the date range for the data you want to download. Download the session history file to your computer. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on blank or selecting a template. Go to the File menu and select Import. Choose Upload to find and upload the session history file. Select how you want to import the data into Google Sheets. Once the data is imported, review the information to ensure everything appears correctly. Now, you may want to format your data for clarity. Highlight the header row and bold the text for better visibility. Consider applying filters to the headers for easier data manipulation. If you desire, create additional columns for analysis, such as total energy consumed or charging cost. To automate updates, consider using Google Apps Script. Access the script editor by clicking on Extensions and then Apps Script. Write a script to fetch session data periodically from your charging provider, based on their API documentation. Save and authorize the script to run on your Google account. Once set up, the script will automatically pull new charging session data into your Google Sheet at specified intervals. To visualize your data, explore creating charts and graphs from your charging history. Use the Insert menu to add charts and customize them as needed. Regularly revisit and refine your spreadsheet as necessary to keep it organized and useful. Now your EV charging session history will be efficiently tracked in Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.